If I only had 3 minutes with you, just enough time to plant one seed that could completely transform your relationship with money, I would tell you this: financial overflow begins in emotional neutrality, not in fear, not in obsession, not in lack, not even in forced positivity, but in the calm middle point where money no longer control your nervous system, your mood, your identity, or your sense of safety. Neutrality is where the wealth frequency lives. Let me explain. When you fear money, you block it. When you chase money, you repel it. When you obsessed over money, you shrink your receiving field. When you avoid money, you disconnect from it. Both extremes signal dysregulation to your nervous system, and a dysregulated nervous system cannot receive abundance. But when you shift into neutrality, your entire magnetic blueprint changes. Neutrality sound like this: money comes, money goes, and I remain grounded. Money is a partner, not a threat. Receiving doesn't make me anxious, and spending doesn't make me spiral. I can hold wealth because I am not afraid of it. This is the frequency where overflow begins. Financial neutrality puts your brain into regulation. Prefrontal cortex on leads to clear thinking. Survival brain off, reduced stress. Fear. Dopamine balanced, better decisions. Nervous system grounded, receiving mode activated. Cognitive load reduced, more bandwidth for opportunities. Neutrality tells your brain we are safe. And safety is the prerequisite for abundance. You cannot attract overflow while your body is in threat mode. You cannot hold wealth with a panicked nervous system. But in neutrality, you become emotionally strong enough to welcome growth, take empowered risk, receive unexpected wealth, and expand without fear. The energetic of neutrality? Neutrality is not I don't care. Neutrality is I care without desperation. I desire without attachment. I receive without resistance. It's the frequency of clean desire, calm expectancy, soft certainty, zero fear, zero panic, zero emotional chaos. Money flows where the energy is clean. Your neutrality is the cleanest energy you can offer. This is why wealthy people remain grounded. This is why money stays with people who don't fear losing it. This is why overflow appears when detachment appears. Detachment doesn't kill desire, it amplifies it. The identity shift of financial neutrality: ask yourself who I am when I am not stressed about money. The real wealthy identity is born there. A financially neutral woman doesn't overthink, doesn't beg, doesn't collapse under pressure, doesn't chase validation, doesn't treat money like a savior, doesn't emotionally down when things fluctuate. She stays grounded, she stays in her power, she stays open. And because she stays open, overflow finds her. Your activation for today: place your hand on your heart and whisper, I am safe with money. Money is safe with me. I release fear. I release pressure. I choose neutrality. Neutrality creates overflow. Overflow is my new normal. Today we stepped into the middle point where wealth is born, the calm, grounded, regulated center, where money finally feels welcome, where your nervous system stops fighting, where overflows becomes possible. Financial neutrality is the entrance point to abundance. Overflow begin exactly there. Thank you for being here.